قال عليه السلام: أعجز الناس من عجز عن اكتساب الإخوان، وأعجز منه من ضاع من ظفر به منهم.
The most helpless person is one who cannot make friends, and the most helpless of all is one who, having made friends, loses them. Imam Ali, says that a person who cannot make friends is the most helpless, because making friends requires no wealth or great effort, but rather a cheerful and kind disposition. The Prophet, was surrounded by people due to his gentle nature, love, and kindness, and they became his friends. The Quran says, "It is out of Allah's mercy that you are gentle to them, and if you had been harsh and hard-hearted, they would have dispersed from around you." 3:159. A hadith states that three things lead to friendship: good character, kindness, and humility. Therefore, it is clear that a cheerful disposition, gentleness, and good character are the causes of friendship. If someone cannot exhibit these qualities and make friends, they are indeed helpless. And even more helpless is one who, having made friends, loses them due to harshness, bad temper, or neglect. Protecting friendships is not a difficult task, it only requires attention to the rights of friends and kindness towards them. Losing friends is like being a stranger in one's own homeland. Imam Ali, says, losing friends is like being a stranger in one's own homeland. Therefore, we should preserve our friendships and adorn ourselves with them. As a hadith states, everything has an adornment, and the adornment of men is their friends.